Kĩgomano kĩa ũcenjia wa rĩera gĩkoretwo gĩthiĩ na mbere kuma tarĩki 4 mweri ũyũ nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KICC kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo kĩhumbĩtwo riri nĩ president a gĩtarũ kĩa Africa na atongoria a mabũrũri marĩa marĩ kũraya na mũciĩ kwarĩrĩria kwagĩrithia rĩera na marĩa matũrigicĩirie. Mĩhang'o-inĩ ĩno ĩgĩtirihwo mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, atongoria nĩ marekereirie mendekithia mao marĩa makauga marĩ na mwĩhoko atĩ ndũgũkorwo ĩrĩ o mĩario ya kuona matanya mao nĩ gũkorwo gũkĩgĩa na maumĩrĩra na mendekithia mao makorwo me mabata matukũ ma mĩaka ĩgũka, na oho mũrũgamo wa andĩki a mohoro gũkinyĩria kĩoneki gĩkĩ.
The big challenge I live from as I live here is keep the momentum, because I think this is the first with this inaugural summit. It means that we keep the momentum until COP28, and I hope it doesn't die down as it's always done. So I hope we can keep the momentum and have great stories even up to the next year. But I know for sure the climate change, how do I call it? The climate change discussion is very, very big, and it's quite big in newsrooms. So we are going to keep the momentum.
But I don't think climate change reporting is boring. I think you can get money from climate change reporting.
Right.
And there are partnerships, they've been offered by the National Treasury. There are other organizations that you could partner with. As you said, we are doing a lot of media pullouts on specific days on climate change, and we could partner more to bring the capacities, to raise the capacities around climate change.
Climate change affects all of us. It's not an issue of journalists versus them. It's an issue of collaboration. How do we make this collaboration sustainable? How do we make it consistent? And how do we make it such that it has an impact? I'd request that the people in places and institutions that deal with this, you have a structured engagement. You already now have the Kenya Editors Guild that you can easily have as an access route to the newsrooms. Work with us at the Kenya Editors Guild. Let us develop programs, let us develop training manuals, let us develop capacity such that we tackle this as an issue that is not just of national interest, but of our livelihoods.
The challenge is up to us as journalists, as editors, to do that, because it is our work anyway. We signed up to it. But also from the other end, can the climate experts, the shapers of this discourse, help us to make it sell? In media, it's all about selling. We are businessmen. I will not give space to something that people will just look at and move on to the next story. I will go for that will bring me audience, that will bring